In Foshan, China, the world-renowned home furnishing manufacturing capital, there is a focus on stainless steel custom home strength factory with excellent quality to the world to win the trust of professional service at Guangdong Foshan stainless steel home furnishing custom factory. We, who have been in the industry for 13 years, are a professional manufacturer specializing in stainless steel cabinets, wardrobes, wine cabinets, bathroom closets, laundry closets and outdoor stainless iron cabinets. Supporting customization and labeling with strong manufacturing capabilities and strict quality control system, our products have been exported to many countries and regions such as the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, North America, especially in Saudi Arabia and Dubai, and have become the preferred stainless steel custom home partner for many overseas customers. For 13 years, we have always adhered to the principle of quality first, customer first, and won the long-term trust and good word of many customers. As a custom stainless steel home factory with 13 years of experience, we do not simply make products, but provide customers with efficient, professional holistic solutions. Whether it is a domestic brand manufacturer, an e-commerce platform, or an overseas distributor, we can respond quickly, accurately prototype, and steadily deliver according to customer needs, becoming a strong manufacturing force behind many brands. Each piece of 304 stainless steel sheet is rigorously screened, from laser cutting to fully folded forming, from seamless rolling to paint spraying. Each process follows a high standard, striving for excellence to create high-end stainless steel home products that are truly environmentally friendly, durable, moisture-proof, fire-resistant, and easy to clean. We believe that what truly impresses the market is not the low price, but the dual manifestation of quality and value. We know that the details of custom stainless steel products determine word of mouth. The cooperation of every overseas customer is not just an order, but a trust. To this end, we have formed a professional international business team, proficient in English communication and familiar with export processes, which can provide customers with a one-stop solution from prototyping, production, packaging to shipment. Kimsega not only has a strong production capability, but also has a flexible cooperation model. Whether you are a brand, e-commerce platform, renovation company, design agency, real estate company, or overseas wholesaler, we can provide you with a full range of professional services from scale design to floor installation. Kimberly-Clark is not just a factory, but a powerful backstop for your global markets. In the future, we will continue to expand production capacity, optimize product line and enhance service power, strive to create an export business card that is made in China, and provide customers around the world with higher standards of custom stainless steel home solutions.